when Lucas started work on a major new project. Close by the Royal Hospital, Chelsea, the team, as usual, wanted to connect with the local community and give something back. So, on discovering there were a few motorheads amongst the Chelsea pensioners, with his F1 connections, Danny took 3 superfans to the world-famous McLaren HQ to meet the F1 backroom team. Fast forward a few years and Alan Rutter, Lucas's favourite Chelsea pensioner, is about to embark on his own solo adventure for charity. His mission is to undertake a 600-mile walk along the Western Front from Dunkirk. The village of Pletterhouse is his finishing point on the French-Swiss border, and the whole journey should take around 6 to 8 weeks. The countdown is on until Alan starts his journey on the 4th of August, so check out his Just Giving page to give donations and support. To round off Lucas's completion of the project, we've invited him onto the Lucas Show next week to share his story.